Change in museums, as we're probably all aware, is contingent on so many factors, and we go through processes of very deep thought because we need to know that what we're doing is right.
Given the Anthropocene, given the climate crisis, I think museums should be those places where anyone feels that they can come together, debate, discuss, and talk about these challenging and frightening and complex issues.
Raise climate change action is a false one. If we don't do something, we are part of the problem.
We have to demonstrate that we are the change.